Father's Day is around the corner, and that's why I will try to make a beautiful gift for Dad. And what I will use for this episode is a piece of walnut plywood, basswood plywood, and LED strips. And that's all, folks. So check the video now and see what the outcome will be. Hello people, here at OneOfAGift. Father's Day is around the corner, and that's why I will try to make a beautiful gift for Dad. And the materials that I will be using in this episode: walnut plywood, basswood plywood, and LED strips to make it light. Here we are in XTool Studio, and I've made a design, a heart-shaped design with the letters DAD, Dad, and 5 stars as a 5-star Dad. A piece below the heart shape to make it able to stand. And it will be a 3-layer design with LED lights. So the first layer will be the heart shape with the stand and a hole in it to put the LED lights through. The second one with an extra inner layer to put the LED strip on, and also the hole here so I can put the LED strip through. And this will be the top layer, and it will be a cutout. And then I will make 2 different color layers, the basswood plywood and the walnut plywood, and to try to make a beautiful effect. And you can turn the light on or off, whatever you like. And if you want to win one of these, then stick until the end, and I will give you the instructions what need to be done to be able to win one of these beautiful Dad stands. If you want to know more how I design it, let me know it in the comments, and then I will try to share it with you. So let's start with the basic layer, that is this one. I will replace the other 2 layers, turn the output off, and let's start with this one. Cut the material, the basswood plywood, apply, yes, here I am. I will auto measure. The auto measure is done, and let's start this process. Oh, by the way, the settings are: we're going to use the blue light, 90% power, the speed at 6 millimeters per second and 1 pass, and that should be okay to cut it in one time. Finished, and I will refresh the background so you can see. Yes, that looks great, and I think it went through completely in one pass. So I will take it out. Here it is. It cut out successfully in one pass. I did need to press a little bit. Maybe I need to sand it a little bit at the back, and then it will be done. Yes. So this is the other part. Yes, and now I will do the second layer. Refresh the background. Okay. This one, output can be off. This one is done. I will increase the power a little bit. Let's do it at 95. And let's start the process so we can have the second layer done. Oh, I need to put the output on. So the settings are blue light, power at 95%, speed 6, 1 pass, and that should be okay. Start. Estimated time about 2 minutes and 47 seconds. Finished, and it looks great. I will refresh the background. Yes, here it is. And the LED strip won't fit on one layer, so I need to cut another layer out. So it will be a total of 4 layers. Here it is. Beautiful. And now I will start with the third layer. So process similar as before. Finished. I will refresh the background for you and look at this. Beautiful. So this is the third layer, and I will take it out. Here it is. So I can stack them together. The first layer and then layer 2 and 3. I will stack them on top of each other. Look at this. Beautiful. And now the top layer. So let me go back to XTool Studio. I'll turn the output off. This one is also finished. Now the last piece, I'll turn the output on and change the material into walnut plywood. Apply. And I will refresh the background. Here it is. And I will adjust the power same as before, 95. So we have the settings at blue light, power at 95%, speed 6 millimeters a second, 1 pass, and that should be it. And now let's start the last layer. And by the way, what is your favorite design? I can adjust it to whatever. And at the end of the video, I will let you know what to do to make a chance to win one of these, if you like. So if you want to win one of these, stick until the end, and then I will let you know at the end of this video. So I will start this process. So that's finished, and I will refresh the background and look at this beautiful cut. It looks nice. Let me take it out. Here is it, the 5-star dead. Now I will stack them on top of each other. First I will send all the materials off. So I need to send it off. And I need to use some glue and finish this off. So I'll be back later. So I've glued the 3 layers together. The top layer still needs to be done, but before I want to attach the LED lights, I found one small mistake that I made. This hole over here should be a little higher, because when the LED lights are inside here, then it needs to go through, and now it doesn't go through because of this small space here. So I need to cut, I will adjust it while it is like this. So I have 3 layers now on top of each other, each 3 millimeters thick, and let's see what will happen. So I will adjust, yeah, rectangle should be fine. Okay, let's try to cut this out. I will change the material, by the way. Plywood. So power at 100, speed at 6. And I will do, let me think, 1, 2, 3, 4 passes. Yes, process. So that's finished. And here is the gap. I've adjusted it. So now I can finish the project, and I will finish it tomorrow. So see you tomorrow. And here is the result, a beautiful nightstand. You can put it on the desk or next to your bed. And if you want to win one of these, I'm going to do one giveaway. You need to be a subscriber on my YouTube channel and like and comment this video, and also follow me on Instagram and comment on my latest post also with this same stand, and send me a DM, and then I will arrange it. I will pick one winner, and this light can be turned off and on. Do you like it? Let me know it in the comments. So thanks for watching, and till the next one. Bye bye.